The liver. So remember the cat is in the anatomical position. So
Come behind you.
So you know my right is the cat's left.
Okay.
So here we have the left lobe of the liver, this area
Both
here.
pieces.
And then you have your right lobe of the liver, and here is where your gallbladder would be, this sac-like structure.
Okay.
And then cupping your right kidney is your quadrate lobe of the liver. So it's further back.
Okay.
You see it, there's also two little pieces. And then you have this little lobe right here. And actually it's encased in the lesser omentum. So I'm going to go ahead and rip that off. And inside is your caudate lobe of the liver. And it looks like a little tongue. Can you see it? Let's see.
Yes.
Okay. And that's all you need to know for the lobes of the liver.
So the green thing right here is the gallbladder.
Yes.
Okay.
You said normally it's cupped up here.
Well,
Is there something wrong with this?
no, it's fine, but usually they're not this dark and they're not deflated. But because some you can't see the gallbladder until you get down in here, like you wouldn't even see that hole.
Okay.
So I got tricked on my lab practical one time. So make sure if you're not sure, like you can kind of mess with the cat to open it up. Yeah, I definitely got tricked on that one.
And this is you said the greater...
The greater omentum.
Okay.
This fat area, and then your spleen. And then your pancreas is embedded in the small intestine. These cats are so small.
And you said the lesser omentum was down in here?
Yeah, the lesser omentum actually encases the caudate lobe of the liver.
Okay.
So I broke that one open, but that's where it would be. And then embedded right next, pretty much almost in the small intestines, is your pancreas. And to me, it looks like meat.
Okay.
But some people say bubble gum, whatever you choose.
Gross.
I just say it looks like chewed up meat. Gross either way. And
So what is the greater omentum? Like, what does it do?
It's pretty much just like fatty storage.
Okay.
Kind of like cushioning.
Okay.
Kind of like a lot of adipose tissue in your body. And then you need to know the, regions of the stomach. Like if we did the greater curvature, there'd be like lots of pins.
Okay.
Going here, and I think and I think it might be, yeah, so that's a region. So we'd say, what is this region?
Okay.
So that kind of helps you, so don't put stomach.
Yeah.
And then like the cardiac is closest to the heart, so it'd be up here. And then the fundic region is more over here, and then the body, we'd pin it smack dab in the middle.
Okay.
And then the pyloric is the closest to the intestines.
Okay.
And then you do need to know the regions of the small intestine, but we usually make it really obvious. So if it's pinned really close to the stomach, like if we pinned it here, but make sure it's not in the pancreas.
Yeah.
If we have like 3 or 4 pins right here and we ask what region, that would be your duodenum.
Okay.
And where's the pancreas?
Right next to it.
Okay.
And then if we wanted to know your jejunum, it would just be pinned in the middle.
Okay.
And then these guys are so little, so it's hard for me to find where the large intestine starts. Okay, so if we pinned here at the very end of the small intestines, that is your ileum, your iliac region. Okay, so you do need to know this I think this is a structure, your cecum. So that's where your small intestines meets your large intestines, and it's this kind of little knob-like thing.
Okay.
So another way how you can always tell, this always helped me, is the small intestines in the cats always stay kind of round and poofy, but once you get to your colon, you can put colon or large intestines, but once you get there, you see how it flattens out?
Okay.
So this little structure is your cecum, and then you go into your large intestines, and then out it goes. So your rectum is still inside, and then the anus, but we don't ever put that.
Okay.
So yeah, so that's all that.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.